Hey folks, I'm Jesse from Penalty Box Woodshop, and today I'm going to show you how to make this simple tenon jig for your table saw. Now I call it a tenon jig, but I rarely use it for that. I mainly use it to make the shoulders and slots for my mallet handles. Now I've even used it to make castle joints for table bases. So as you can see, this simple yet universal jig is a great addition to any wood shop. As always, there'll be further details in the description section below, along with links to all the tools that I use during this video. So stay tuned.
For this jig, I'll be using 3/4 inch birch plywood that was left over from another project. All the pieces for this jig will be 12 inches long, and the width of the base of the jig will be determined by your individual fence. After lowering the saw blade and unplugging the saw, I measured the height of my fence. I then cut 2 side pieces to that measurement. After placing the pieces on both sides of the fence, I was able to get a width measurement for the top piece. Once the top was cut to width on the miter saw, I pre-drilled holes down both edges with my countersink bit. Using glue and screws, I attached the top to the 2 sides, ensuring throughout the process that the jig would slide freely down the fence. For the upright part of the jig, I cut a piece at 10 3/4 inches high and 12 inches long. Use a square to ensure the upright is square to the table saw, clamp it in place, and attach it with screws. Once the upright is secure, use your square to mark a line at the approximate midpoint. Then pre-drill and attach a backer piece. This 1 inch by 1 inch piece is about half the length of the upright and will help ensure that whatever you're cutting with the jig will stay square to the table saw. Now that this jig is complete, let's use it to make some mallet handles. As you can see, this jig makes the process of cutting the shoulders and slot easy and repeatable.
Alright folks, that does it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple little jig is as useful in your shop as it is in mine. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let's leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get to them.